Hello everyone, my name's MJ and I'm one of the product specialists here at Spy Center Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. I'm here today to talk to you about the LawMate Covert Mini Hidden Spy Camera. But first, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Just click the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, spycenter.com, and if you'd like to purchase this product, click the link in the upper right hand corner or click the link in the description below. Introducing our newest Covert Mini Hidden Spy Camera from the LawMate American Made series. This mini body-worn or stationary camera offers a small, sleek design that's super user-friendly and offers easy accessibility for capturing video and audio. A one-touch on-off capability enables quick recording whenever it suddenly becomes necessary. With amazing 1080p video quality and 5 megapixel snapshot picture capabilities, you can truly do it all. My favorite attributes of this camera are the overall size and ease of use. Being one of the smallest body-worn cameras on the market, this camera offers effortless capture with fantastic quality. Let's check out what comes in the box and how it works.
In the box, you should have the complete user manual, which contains any and all information you need to know about product setup, operation, and utilization. The charging cord, which is a USB to mini USB charging cable, which plugs directly into the bottom of the unit. The two mounting clips that go directly onto the unit, which allow the unit to mount on virtually any surface. Lastly, we have the unit itself. As you can see, it has a small, sleek design, while also being extremely small. Let's get it set up. The first thing we're going to need to do is insert a micro SD card and then make sure we have the unit fully charged.
A full charge will take you around 2 to 3 hours, which will then provide you with around 60 to 65 minutes of record time.
Next, we're going to turn it on by holding the power button for 3 seconds. Once you see the blue light come on, that means your device is now in standby mode. Now we're going to need to plug it into our Windows or Mac computer to set the date and time. On your standard Windows computer, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is create a notepad document and type in the date in year-month-day and then hour:-minute:-second format, and then save it to your desktop as set time. Then once you're done with that, drag the document from your desktop into the unit's memory folder. It should be automatically absorbed and applied to your next recording. On Mac, it's virtually the same process, except instead of a text document, it's an application called TextEdit. Go ahead and type in your year-month-day, hour:-minute:-second, but this time, in the top, you'll need to go over to the Format section. Up in the Format tab, make sure it says Make Rich Text, because that means that it's formatted as plain text document. We also want Wrap to Page off. Then go ahead and save it as set time to your desktop. Lastly, do the same thing as we did on Windows and drag the document into your unit's memory folder. Now that we've set up the device, let's begin recording. First of all, make sure your device is in standby mode with the blue light solid. To choose which setting to record in, go over to the side and switch to photo for taking photos and recording for recording videos. On the other side, you're going to want to switch it to FHD if you want 1080p quality video or HD if you want 720p quality video. Once in standby mode, pressing the on-off button once begins recording with the solid red light on, and pressing it one more time ends the recording. In photo mode, once in standby, pressing the on-off button once takes a photo capture where the red light will blink. When done, press and hold the on-off button until the blue light turns off. The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. Spy Center Security is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. Spy Center Security encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage.
For this quality demonstration, I'm going to clip the unit onto my shirt and go have a conversation with my sales associate, Jacob. Hey Jacob.
Hey, what's going on, MJ?
Jacob, why would someone want to buy the LawMate Mini Spy Cam?
Well, MJ, the LawMate cameras are our top-of-the-line American-made series. They are super easy to operate, and the wearable Mini Spy Cam is one of the best cameras that we carry for body-worn footage. I would totally recommend it if that's what you're looking for.
Well, thank you so much, Jacob.
You have a good one, man.
For this next quality demonstration, I'm going to put the unit right here on the counter facing this way, and we're going to get a few different distances for video and audio quality. This is a video and audio quality demonstration at 10 feet. This is a video and audio quality demonstration at 20 feet. Notice that the 74-degree lens captures the entire room. This is a video and audio quality demonstration at 30 feet. Now let's head back to the studio. No matter what the circumstances may be, it's never a bad idea to have high-quality body-worn footage. This LawMate product will capture video and audio recording in beautiful 1080p 30 frames per second and high-resolution pictures. Clip it to your chest or place it on a counter. You can truly use this camera for anything. With easy one-touch operation, you'll be able to use this camera in the heat of the moment, ensuring peace of mind no matter what the situation may be. I definitely think this camera is amazing for many different applications and could mean the difference in proving or disproving innocence. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more product tutorials and review videos. If you want to check out this product, I'm going to put the link in the top right hand corner of the video and in the description below. On top of accepting all major credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal, Spy Center is now accepting other secure cashless payment options, including Apple Pay, Google Pay, Bitcoin, and many other cryptocurrencies. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. What sets Spy Center apart from other spy gear stores is that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've been the leading provider of quality spy gear in the Dallas-Fort Worth area for nearly 30 years. And we offer free FedEx 2-day shipping to all 50 US states, even Alaska and Hawaii. We're standing by to answer any questions you may have via online chat at spycenter.com and on our telephones at 1-800-292-7748. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.